So it's pushing 40 degrees today. I think it's only just after 10:30 and it's already like high 30s. It could even be sort of higher than that by now, I don't know. So I came in to do a few trivets, but it's just too warm, so I've done a few, and I thought while I'm here I'll do this very quick video. I've been meaning to do it for a while because someone sent me this little disc about a month or more ago. It's double-sided. It's basically a TIG tip grinder. I guess if you were a professional man doing TIGging every day, all day, you'd splash out on one of those very expensive tip grinding tools. But I don't do an awful lot, but as such my tips do get knackered up quite a lot, quite quickly, so I'm sharpening them quite a lot. And this is very, very good. I think it's some sort of diamond coat on both sides. You can see on that strip. As I say, I've been using it for over a month and it doesn't show any signs of wearing out. You can apparently use it for carbide tips, lathe tools. I did do one on it, but it seemed that it would, if I used it a lot, it would wear it out quicker. But as I say, by no means is it worn out. But this is perfect for sticking in your toolbox, for just keep touching up those tips. You can either put it on a bench grinder or put it on an angle grinder. I use it on an angle grinder because it's just so easy. So let's set it up and I'll show you how to use it. This one is a 4.5 inch, but they do come in different sizes for different grinders. You can see there the grit. It's relatively coarse, not that coarse, but as I say, after over a month, doesn't show any signs of wearing out yet. Handy little tool. So it's very simple to install. Just take off whatever disc you've got on your grinder, stick it on in place. That's it. And stick this in the vise. I can already hear all the health and safety nuts going, "Oh, you can't do that." Yes, you can. Just don't do it up too tight. So nice and secure in there, and so you can get to it. So you can get to your on-off switch. So let's get a tip and we'll give it a go, see what it looks like. Oh, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, if that's focused, but you can see how badly damaged that is. This is out of my machine that I'm using currently. That end's not too bad, but that end's particularly bad. So let's see if we can sharpen them up. Okay, so what I tend to do is use my cordless drill to hold the tips. You can never quite turn it by hand, well enough. So all I do is use it on a very slow speed and keep it, obviously I don't need to tell you, you've got to keep it so that the lines go down, not around. So let's see what happens. Stop. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I'll try and do a good close-up of that, but that is a perfect tip, absolutely perfect, and as you saw it was seconds. I'll just turn it around and do the other side. Again, perfect. So, all in all, I think this is a very worthwhile tool. They're not expensive, that's what's good about them. They seem to last a very long time. They're not expensive, so you know you can abuse them if you want to, because they're not that dear. I'll put the link in the description to where you can get them, and give it a go. You may find it a very useful tool in the toolbox.